Hey guys, welcome back to Bright Night Tech. My name is Berto and today we are looking at the Fifine H19 Gaming headset. We're going to start with an unboxing and then we're going to take a look at what it can do. So let's get started. Alright, first of all, the packaging. Fifine has fantastic packaging. It always looks great. It really tells you you're getting a quality product. And it just looks great. Look at that. Look at that holographic thing. Anyways, alright, let's go ahead and open this guy up. Just like this. Alright, first of all, we have the user guide. Let's take a quick look at this. And if at any time you want to pause it and you're curious on some of the instructions or features here, please feel free to do so. But basically you can connect this to anything that has USB. We'll go over some of that stuff in a bit. Alright, let's take this guy out now. Okay, here we go. Let's take out this headset. It is wired. It is over the head. Let me take this guy out. There you go. It's very light. I like it. It's not like stiff or anything. Let's take all this stuff out so we can take a closer look. Alright, let's see here. Alright, very, very good quality. It is light, like I said. It doesn't feel stiff when I try to open it, but it also doesn't feel like super loose. Beautiful Fifine logo there, and the stitching is great. Really, really good quality. I really love this, especially if you have an aesthetic of RGBs all over your office or gaming room. This is definitely a great addition. Alright, here is the microphone slot. All you have to do is connect it there and you have a microphone. We'll go over the quality of that in a bit, but it sounds great. Alright, like I said, USB. We got a few different features here. 7.1 stereo surround sound. We got some different buttons. Noise reduction, changing the color. This is the volume. It's like a little toggle switch. It is not a wheel, which is fine. And yeah, we're gonna go over these in a little more detail in just a second. But yeah, looks great. I'm very excited to try these. Alright, so is that it has 7.1 surround sound effect. That means if you're playing like a shooting game, you can hear everything around you. Okay, and again, the microphone right here, you unplug it, plug it back in. If all you want to use it is for headphones, that is something you can do. Alright, now let's go ahead and test out this microphone. Got it right here. Tap, tap. I think the sound is amazing. I mean, it's on par with like a professional microphone, but the fact that you can get this quality out of it and use it for gaming or streaming or anything like that is pretty cool, especially for the price point. And the sound, it's great. These are nice and comfortable. They don't hurt my ears at all. I've never been a big fan of like over-the-ear headphones like this, but this is really comfy and I can see myself using these for like editing and stuff, so super happy with that. Also, this microphone detaches, so if I do this, but if I plug it back in, there it is. Super happy with this. If you guys are in the market for some headphone microphone combo, you guys want to use it for gaming, stuff like that, Fifine has a great track record of quality sound equipment, so definitely check these out. Okay, closer look right here. You're gonna push that button, it's gonna activate that surround sound. Alright, some other features here. This is the equalizer. It changes the profile that you are using this for. So it has music, gaming, and watching movies. Sound or noise reduction right there. And then we have our button here to change the color. Let's go ahead and take a look at that real quick. All you have to do is press and it changes it. And if you go through enough, you'll get to the rainbow one. Alright, so you're wondering, where can I get this and how much is it? You can pick this guy up on Amazon for $70.99. Although at the time of this video, it is on sale for $59.99. So, like I said, that is a great price, especially for the quality. Definitely something to check out. I've never had like a gaming headset or like something over the ear like this before that I would use a lot, and I think I might change that with these. They are just fantastic and really comfortable, honestly. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, go ahead and put in comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button for notifications, and we will see you next time.